Adrian. Adrian, hold on.
Ah! Pitfall, pitfall, pitfall.
Adrian, I said hold on. Okay, now stand up.
Okay. You're gonna take a picture of me?
Now I'm gonna take a video. Okay, ready?
Bring it on!
Go. That's not enough.
I'm over here. I'm still alive. I'm gonna try that in one more time.
Okay, land on your butt first. Ready? No, butt, not your feet.
This one.
Like cannonball in the pool.
Camera on a giant diving board.
Go. No, that's not.
This is a cannonball.
Okay, again.
Belly flop. I'm belly flop. Haha, I win.
Oh, this one you can do a...
You're cheating.
Yeah, you can do a snow angel here really good.
Oh, great.
You gotta lie down. You gotta lie down.
Wait, I'm gonna dig for my life.
What are you, a dog?
No, look, I'm really good. Oh.
Look at this lake. Where are you going?
No angel.
Okay, let me see. Lie down.
Oh, great. I'm digging for my life.
Adrian, not too loud.
Almost there.
That's a big one. Can you get out there? Can you get up?
Drago!
Can you get up, Jay? That's a big one.